Elon Musk has always been at the forefront of AI discussions, from co-founding OpenAI to warning about the dangers of artificial intelligence. But now he's stepping deeper into the AI race with his own company, XAI. His goal? To develop a more advanced, truth-seeking AI that challenges the dominance of major tech giants like OpenAI, Google, and Meta. But what makes Musk's AI different? And how could it change the landscape of artificial intelligence? Musk launched XAI in 2023 with a bold mission: to create AI that prioritizes truth and transparency over political correctness or manipulation. According to Musk, today's AI models, like ChatGPT and Google's Gemini, are too biased and controlled by corporate interests. He claims XAI will develop AI that is more objective and aligned with human reasoning. The company's first major release was Grok, an AI chatbot integrated into X, formerly Twitter. Unlike other AI chatbots, Grok was designed to have a sense of humor, challenge mainstream narratives, and provide real-time access to X's vast data stream. This gave it an edge in staying updated with current events, something other AI models struggle with. But Musk isn't stopping there. XAI is working on building a next-generation AI model, one that he claims will be more powerful than OpenAI's GPT-4. He has access to some of the world's best engineers, many of whom previously worked at DeepMind, OpenAI, and Tesla's AI division. If Musk follows through, his AI could become a major competitor in the race toward artificial general intelligence, AGI. One of the biggest advantages Musk has is Tesla's AI expertise. Tesla's self-driving technology relies on some of the most advanced AI models in the world. The massive amount of real-world data collected from Tesla vehicles could help XAI train a more advanced intelligence, especially when it comes to understanding the real world beyond just text and images. Musk is also working on AI hardware. Unlike other AI companies that rely on NVIDIA's chips, Musk is pushing for Tesla's Dojo supercomputer to power future AI models. Dojo was designed for self-driving technology, but it could also be used to train next-gen AI with unprecedented efficiency. If successful, this could make XAI independent of traditional chip suppliers, giving it a unique advantage in AI development. But there are challenges. Musk has been vocal about the dangers of AI, even signing an open letter calling for a pause in AI development. He has warned that AI could become uncontrollable if it surpasses human intelligence. That raises an important question. If Musk fears AI's risks, why is he building his own? According to him, the best way to prevent dangerous AI is to create a safer alternative, one that remains transparent and aligned with human values. Musk also faces competition from the world's biggest AI players. OpenAI, Google DeepMind, and Meta have spent years refining their AI models, and they have vast amounts of data and computing power behind them. XAI, while ambitious, is still a newcomer. So what does Musk's AI mean for the future? If he succeeds, XAI could introduce a new era of AI models that challenge the status quo, offering an alternative to mainstream AI systems. Grok is just the beginning. Musk's ultimate vision is to build AI that doesn't just answer questions but thinks critically and acts as a trusted digital assistant for humanity. Will XAI reshape the AI landscape? Or will it struggle to compete with tech giants? Only time will tell, but one thing is certain. When Musk enters an industry, disruption is inevitable.